Trade recap for Wednesday, December 20th, 2023. Let's talk about bad entries. So today, it really looked weak out of the gate, AMD. And there was some news that came out that tech stocks were looking weak, even though we're at all-time highs. AMD has been strong before. However, right out of the gate, it really sells out. And I took along right around here at this doji here, but I didn't like how much pressure was on that, and I got out. I should have stayed in because that was a full point up to the highs up to here. And I think I'm adjusting my strategy a little bit. I think this will be a good example for anybody who's learning how to trade. So I'm now only going to be trading distance. So there's a lot of times in trading. Here's a great example from the previous day at the VWAP, where there is a rejection of the VWAP, and look at that washout there. Awesome. So that's what I thought was going to happen, was that even though I went long, I thought it was going to reject and really wash out, because look at this distance here. After, if it washes out at the VWAP, it really has a lot of distance. It's been nothing but up and up and up. And this is on the 3-minute time frame. If you look at it on the hourly 4-hour time frame, there's so much distance and so much space that if it washes out, it's going to wash out hard, which it did. Now, so I didn't really feel like that was that great of a trade, but it turns out it was a good trade, that I should have stayed long here, because what happened is it tested all the way kind of where it opened up for the day, right around here at highs. And that's where, so my instinct was right. Should have taken the long here and watched the price action. So what happened is I got out basically, break even here whenever I got out of the trade. And as it came into the VWAP, I thought it was going to wash out right here. However, I got in short and just waited. And I knew it would come up here to highs of day, and I thought it would take, this trade took forever today. And so my lesson and what I'm going to work on is working out these long range. So this was some decent range, and I should have taken this long up to here and waited till the pre-market, kind of the open of the high, and shorted it here. And that would have given me a lot of opportunity. The range is what you're looking for. To go back to the previous example here, when it washes out to here, this is the trade I would have looked to take as it opens up here in the morning, like the pre-market, pre-market high of the day. That would have been the pre-market high. I mean, taking a trade here that way, right? Or as it, whatever, I'm sure there's a level up here at this point, waiting for it to kind of shorten out, or even here at this here. But I'm waiting for distance now, because this would have been an awesome trade distance-wise to take the trade here, because I felt it was weak for the day. But I got in short here, and I didn't go in with a lot of size, so I was kind of comfortable. I figured it would come up and then just kind of come down, and it did do that, but man, it took forever. I mean, look at that. From my trade here at 10:30, 10:24, it continues, and look at it. It just continues to retest this level, which I thought it would. I didn't think it had enough strength, and look, it finally dumps as I thought it would. And it really dumps out. I took my profits right around this level here as it's kind of bouncing. I still think it has potential to really wash out, because again, there's so much distance on the 4-hour time frame. If we go down to the 4-hour, look at this. There's so much distance here. So I just didn't have enough size to really kind of stay in it. That's what I would have loved to do. Again, that's what I'm going to be working on. And I think next week I'm going to hit some massive, massive trades when I hit this distance here. So I think AMD still has the potential. I think I should have still waited in, but I took my profits for the day because I was really patient for it. I just wanted to make sure in case it bounces off this level here on this 4-hour time frame. I think it has potential. It could bounce up still, but if it washes, man, there's nothing else holding this level here. There's nothing else holding this level at the 4-hour time frame. If it breaks here, it's gonna break hard. And so hopefully y'all caught this trade on the short. Hopefully not. We'll see what it does for the day. But I don't know. It looks weak, and based on the news, I think it's really gonna break down. We'll see what happens. Again, kind of the lesson learned for the day, and hopefully you learned this lesson too. is, get the distance, take the trades on the distance. As you can see here, it's even better. It's more clear this way. Right here, I should have taken it long. It washed out, had some distance on it from here to here, right? It had some distance. And here, going up to the pre-market highs, that's what I want to work on, the pre-market highs and lows and high of day, low of day. That's what I'm really going to be looking for, as opposed to I've been taking a lot of trades off the VWAP, with continuation plays, and they're just really not working out. I'm changing my style. I don't like it. And I'm going to hit these plays right here, where I take this short here, where I see the slowness up in the high of day, take it here, and look at that. Oh, beautiful trade. Oh, it looks like it's going to break that level. It's going to wash. It's going to wash crazy. And yeah, I hope you like this trade recap. Hope you learned some things. Like, follow for more, and link in the bio, link in the comments if you want to learn trade from me, and we'll see you later.